Hello and welcome to this demonstration video for my satellite simulator, otherwise known as Orbit. This project was built by a team of individuals. Those individuals were Ben Painter, Starballs, and myself, Mike Downs. So this program, basically like the whole thing of it is it's a game where you're a spaceship that flies around and you destroy just defective satellites in space or any space debris and junk. And the purpose of and with the game, we also did implement physics into it, so it takes into account like gravity and velocity, acceleration, things like that. But we did just use simple algebra and trigonometry. We did not use multivariable calculus or anything like that. And the purpose of doing this was to practice C++, but also mainly practice using inheritance in C++. With that being said, let's just head over to my code editor here. So as you can see, we have a lot of different .h files here. So here we have the parent class of the satellites. So, satellite. And then it has a bunch of different children with different kinds of satellites, like Hubble or GPS satellite, things like that. But it's also the parent to things like debris or projectiles and whatnot. So that's like a majority of the program is just practicing inheritance. So let's run it and just see what it looks like here. So you see all the satellites there orbiting in space. They're just fine and dandy, just chilling there. But as you can see, one satellite just broke up. We just got some space debris, so we can fire here and hopefully not take out any other satellites. If a satellite is defective, it'll start spinning in a circle, kind of like the Starlink one near the Earth, but it's going to be caught in the Earth's atmosphere, so that one's just going to fall to the Earth. But yeah, no, this is basically the whole program. Things just float around. You get to shoot stuff. You can just go crazy with it, with whatever you want. But yeah, no, that's just the purpose of the whole satellite, just a simple, fun game. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.